Hello YouTube, this is a 10 times better video of my other Fixie. My other Fixie or bike check had horrible sound, horrible everything. Spent very little time on it. This one spent more time. So let's just watch this one. So we got some Vans, Monster, Volcom, AAA stickers, Adidas stickers, World Industry sticker, Neff, 562 local, Los Angeles, California, deep DVs, I think, some tires, normal tires, a little worn out, so I changed them. I got a new thing than my other bike check. I got a gooseneck, yeah, with an adapter. Wait, me help it out. There we go. This is an adapter. I got some handlebars, some black handlebars with some grips. They're like Oris, but not as good. The handlebars are pretty good. Nice. The only thing I don't like about it, I can't put my brake cable, because it gets like from thin to being thick, which I do not like. And got some titanium pedals. I got the box over here. Like when I bought them, 14 Classic. Had these lying around. It comes with cleats. When I put cleats on them. I got one back brake from Wind Zip, whatever. Got a Van sticker, nice seat, light, and kind of comfortable. I'm running a 14 tooth. On the back I just changed it. Last one was 16 tooth. Had to cut the chain a little. I have nothing on the other side. It's a flip flop hub. Save weight right there. Easy way to save weight. I'm not sure what this one is. The front one is. I think it's like a 32. I'm not sure. I'll update that. DVs, deep DVs. What else? Crank. I got this crank and get a new one. Update that when I get that. Other than that, I just need some spacers. That's practically it. I got a brake line. White brake line. Coming through between all these stickers, smart idea. Put them underneath the stickers. Between those stickers, come right there. So it won't show as much as you can see. That's pretty much it. Yeah. I got a bunch of other stickers. Get this sign. Got Volcom, World Industry, Monster, Volcom, Fun, Monster, Neff. That's mostly it. 14 tooth. Just barely changes. I have a YouTube video of me taking it off. Well, that was a different one. Never mind. It's pretty light. Feels about, I don't know, 15 pounds. Like, I don't know, 15, 12 pounds. Pretty light. That's it. Headset, seat, wheels, everything. So yeah, like it if you like this bike. Pretty cool bike. Customize it better than how it was. So yeah, see ya.